Pollo and Pina. Chicken and pineapple. A main dish from Guatemala.
Serve 6.
You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Put chicken pieces into a heavy skillet or casserole. If using fresh pineapple, be careful and save all the juice. If using canned pineapple, use the juice. Add all the rest of the ingredients,
Step 2.
including salt and pepper,
Cover
to
and
taste.
simmer over low heat
If using
until
fresh
tender,
pineapple,
about
it may be
45
necessary
minutes.
to add chicken
If the
stock to
sauce
cover
is
the chicken pieces, as the fresh fruit will not have as much juice as the canned. Step 3. Very abundant, cook partially covered for the last 15 minutes. Serve with rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.